Every day, sun brings new energy into our lives. But man-made energy is limited and expensive. If you know accurate, high-quality, real-time data about energy consumption, then you can react quickly and save a lot of energy and money. Installing a smart meter system enables you to monitor energy level consumption from all installations of the building. You will notice the problem in seconds. Let us remember how it was before the smart meter system. The first signs of energy losses were high costs, but there was no information about the location of the malfunction. You had to check all installations over and over again. Time went by. Costs were increasing. A lot of effort was needed just to find out where the malfunction was. Now the smart meter system enables efficient energy management and also shows you where the malfunction is. You can react and repair it in no time. Just calculate all the saved time, effort, and money. Savings potential is huge. And what is also very important, smart meter system enables improved communication between an energy manager and energy users. Consumers can have an in-depth view into energy consumption of various sources, e.g. gas, water, electricity. This means that users' behavior is influenced. Users can react immediately, what reflects in cost reduction, especially during off-peak tariffs. The smart meter system allows users control over energy consumption, or influences their behavior with a view into real-time data, as well as history data of their energy costs or consumption. This results in an improvement of the user's energy consumption and an answer to their needs in terms of energy consumption. It's a win-win situation for everyone. For energy managers, for users, for building owners, for managers, and of course, for the nature and our future on this planet. Energy efficiency is not someone else's problem. Being more energy efficient, we can measure it.